Okay. So, hi everyone. Good evening. Thank you so much for joining in. Uh, just let me know if I'm audible.
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
Okay, thank you. Um, yeah, so let's get started. Welcome to the orientation session of GDSC BVR at Edge. I'm Pranati from 4th CSEB and I'm the lead for the club. So, moving ahead, before we start off, let's see what a Google Developer Student Club actually is. So for that, let's watch a quick video. Okay, so yeah, that was all about the Google Developer Student Club and what it is. Yeah, am I still audible?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, thanks. So now moving ahead, let's meet the team of the GDSC club in our college. First up, we have Mr. Suresh Kumar Raju sir, faculty of CSE, who's also going to be a faculty advisor for the club. Thank you so much for agreeing to be the faculty advisor, sir. Next, this is me, Pranati, and I'm the lead for the club for the year 2021 to 22. And next up, we have Sahiti. Sahiti, would you like to say a quick hi?
Hello everyone, I'm Saiti from 4th IT. So, I'm a person who is interested in machine learning, and also I want to share my knowledge and learn which in areas which I am not so good at, and communicate with people and expand both in technical way and in a social way, so that we can have a good learning and a good spirit while learning.
Yeah, thank you, Sahiti. Next, we have Joshita. Joshita, would you
Hello
also like to say hi?
everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello everyone. I'm Joshita from 4th CSEB. I'm glad to be part of this club, and I hope to make a difference and impact through this club in people's lives.
Thank you. Next, we have Shavya.
Hi guys, I'm Shravya. Nice to meet you all. I know some of you, so hi guys.
Hi.
I'm just here to learn, and I'm glad to be here, and I'm glad to be a part of something that's happening for the first time in our college. I think, yeah.
Almost.
Or I mean, I'll take it as the first time. So
Yeah.
yeah, I'm glad to be here, and thank you guys.
Thank you, Shravya. Next, we have Vanilla.
Hello guys, I'm Vanilla from fourth year EC. I'm glad to be a member of this club. Thank you.
Thanks, Vanilla. Next, we have Taruni. Taruni, are you there?
Yes, Pranati, I'm there.
Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm Taruni Dusakanti from Triple E, and I'm happy to be here and I'm glad. Thank you.
Thank you, Taruni. So this is the core team of GDSC, and GDSC has been in our college in the last year as well, but because it was the first year, not many of you knew about it, and uh, it the club couldn't reach everybody in the college. But this year, I hope to change that together with you guys, so that everybody in the college knows what GDSC is and who are part of it and what we do. So yeah, hoping for the best. And what you see now is the timeline that was shared by Google to us. So this is basically an overview of how the upcoming academic year is going to be. What are the kind of events that will come up? So firstly, now we're having the cloud campaign, which is called 30 Days of Google Cloud Program, and it's starting from today. And subsequently, we'll have some other events as well: Android campaign, Flutter campaign, Solution Challenge, second cloud campaign, web campaign, and ML campaign throughout the academic year. Apart from these events, we are free to conduct our own events, like be it technical talks, seminars, or even hackathons. So we are free to conduct events of our choice. And yeah, as the core team members, we're supposed to conduct at least five, a minimum of five events in the whole academic year. And I hope to conduct more than five with you guys. So yeah, that's it. And this is the timeline. Has Sir joined? Okay, I think Sir hasn't joined. He said that he would be traveling. So yeah, I think Sir has not been able to join. But yeah, this is what I just wanted to meet you guys just once virtually. And hopefully we'll meet in the college from next week. So yeah. And anybody else has any questions, or would you like to say anything? You're free to say it.
So, Pranati, you told you wanted to conduct some like events, right? So,
Yeah.
exactly when are you planning to do that?
Since we've just started out, first we'll begin with the 30 Days of Google Cloud program.
Okay.
And then we can actually, I already have a sponsor lined up, but we have to get the right kind of permissions, from HOD sir, from our faculty advisor. If we get that permissions, we have a sponsor lined up. We can conduct some interesting coding competitions or technical quizzes, anything. Any ideas are also open. And yeah, and there's one thing you guys should know. Uh, Google didn't, they didn't have a hard and fast rule that core team members should be only final year students. But I wanted only final year students in the core team because this is, our last year at the college, and I felt that this is our last chance to be part of the club, to be involved in its activities. So that's why I chose only final year students as part of the core team. Other students are juniors; they can be event volunteers and help out, and because they have like one more year or 2 more years to be part of the club. So I hope you guys understand this and you know how valuable your positions are, and I hope that you guys give it your best. And I already see some really active participation from you guys. Special thanks to Sahiti for helping out with the PPT that I just showed before. It's
Yeah,
kind
yeah,
of
no.
last minute, but yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, you guys have already started recruiting a few juniors, I heard. So far it's going good, and I hope we can continue it. That's it from me.
And also with that registration, I think there is a problem issue with
Yeah,
registration.
yeah. The server is down actually because of the
Uh,
network traffic. Even they didn't expect like this much of response. But hopefully the form will be back soon. I'll let you guys know when it's back up.
yeah, yeah, sure.
Yeah. So our first short-term goal is the 30 days of Google Cloud program. We have to get maximum people to register for it, and not just registering, they have to complete the tracks that they've registered for. Only then it means something, right? Not just registering and leaving it. Only if they complete will they get their certificate and their rewards, the goodies also. So yeah, even you guys can also register uh, because your core team members. There's nothing like you shouldn't register. If you're interested, you should definitely register. And some of us already did the program last year. So personally, I really liked the campaign, and it was a nice opportunity to learn something new about Google Cloud. So I guess it's very useful.
If you guys have already done that, can you please guide us now? Like how
Yeah,
is
yeah,
how
sure.
and what all the deadlines will be and how we're supposed to submit the tasks they give us.
Yeah, so you have to register first, and then there'll be like 30 days deadline. You can register and complete either one track or two tracks. There are two tracks. Okay, so first one is called cloud engineering track, and the second one is machine learning track. So you can complete either one or two. It's up to you. And it's basically like completely self-paced learning, and the platform, which is called Quick Labs. It has some videos and some practice labs which have like step-by-step instructions on how to perform the lab activities. So once you do that, then you'll have the challenge lab. And when you finish the challenge lab successfully, you'll get your badge, skill badge, that you can also post on LinkedIn. So yeah, it's going to be fun. And once you finish those tracks, at the end of the 30 days, you'll receive another communication form from Google to fill up your address and stuff. Then you'll receive your goodies also. So basically, that's how it goes. If you want to know something else in detail, just ping me up.
Thank you for that.
Thank you. Yeah. Uh, any other questions or anything you want to say? Anybody?
Hello, I'm Pratyusha from third CSE.
Okay.
I actually have few questions. So you're all the part of core team and you're all the final years, right?
Yeah.
So I am part of the club, right? Because
Yeah,
I
yeah, you
signed
are.
up for the
Yes, yes.
yeah,
You're going to be the event volunteer for this year.
yeah.
And based on your active participation, I as the lead will get to nominate two or three of you to, to become the next leads of the club. So it's actually a long process. You'll have to fill out an application form, and there will be a telephonic or video interview with Google. And once you do that, then you might get selected. So it's all based on your active participation, and yeah, you
Okay.
will have a chance to lead the club next year, or at least be core team members. Even that is good enough.
Yeah. Like why are there not much people like from the juniors?
See, the club actually is starting out just now this year because
Mhm.
of our exams and placement drives.
Yeah.
It got postponed a little bit. It got delayed. But now we are trying to reach out to all the juniors also. Even shortly, the first year students will be coming. So we can reach out to them, and we want to make sure that everyone knows about GDSC. And yeah,
And what was that 30 days workshop you were talking about? I think I don't know nothing.
it's an event. It's the first event that our club is hosting. You will receive mails and WhatsApp messages shortly about the club. Registrations have actually begun. It's basically a 30 days learning program where you learn all about Google Cloud. So yeah, it's a fun event. Try and register for it if you want, if you're interested.
Where will I get the registration link?
Yeah, you'll receive the
Mail.
communication link very soon.
Okay.
Registration
I think
just began, so yeah.
it has been circulated already.
Yeah, it has been circulated, but I think she has not received it maybe.
We
But
didn't get it in our groups or anywhere.
okay, no issues. We'll send it
Yeah.
again. Even HOD sir will be sending out the link shortly. So don't
Okay.
worry and try and find that link and register for it.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, thanks. Okay, guys. Joshita, did you click a few screenshots?
No,
I
I
think it
didn't.
will be nice if we turn on the cameras.
Yeah, please turn on your videos. It'll be nice. Request everyone to turn on their videos just to click a few pictures. Okay.
Yeah, done. 1 second.
1 second. I'll again just present the. Yeah, can you click a few pictures now?
Yeah, done.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Actually, I was planning for a bigger orientation session, but because we're online right now and because, even the first year students have not yet come in, maybe once they also join, we can have a bigger orientation session so that
Actually,
they'll get to know about the club. Yeah.
we can talk to somebody who's organizing the orientation for first year so that we can do a 15-minute slot in the orientation. That would be a
Yeah.
big reach out.
Yeah, definitely we can plan that. So always your ideas are always open. We can definitely try for a
I've
bigger
heard the
orientation.
orientation they already started planning what to do and everything. They've started recruiting people for who's going to be the MCs and everything, those things. So we can talk to somebody who's taking care of that. Like BSNH does that, right? So we
Yeah,
can
yeah.
talk to them and we can ask them for permission for 10 minutes or 15 minute slot so that we can present everything clearly at a go.
Yeah, I agree. I'll try and talk with HOD sir and see if we can find a 10-minute slot to interact with the first years. Yeah.
And how do you guys communicate? Like, is there any WhatsApp group if I want to be in touch with you or?
Sure, you can communicate with us on WhatsApp. There's no official group yet. It's only
Okay.
for the core team members so far, but we'll soon be adding you as well. We'll soon be adding the faculty advisor, Suresh Kumar sir also, and then we'll create a bigger WhatsApp group or maybe a Slack channel or something. We'll figure it out.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Some of them have pinged me. When they tried for the first time, the network was down, and now when they opened, the registrations are closed.
No, registrations are not yet closed. It's just showing that message actually. It's basically an error message. So
Okay.
yeah, don't panic.
If you circulate
50,000
really
registrations.
nice, right?
Yeah, sorry.
If you circulate a message saying the server is down and everything, that would.
Yeah. I'll do that. I'll do that once this meeting is over. I'll do that. Yeah. Even HOD sir will also be sending out the official mails very soon so that they can register. And request you all also to circulate the message in WhatsApp groups and mails anywhere and reach out to maximum number of people. and encourage them to register and complete the tracks. Okay, and we'll soon be having more campaigns by Google, and this time I want any one of the core team members to be the facilitators for the campaign. For this 30 days program, I didn't have any of you yet by that time, so I had to fill out the form myself. But for the next campaigns, I think it'll be a great opportunity for you guys also to be the facilitators. You'll get to listen directly to Googlers talk. They talk about Google Cloud, and whatever the campaign is, they'll talk about that. You can listen to them directly. So I think that it'll be a great opportunity. Next time any campaign comes out, I'll let you guys know. And if you're interested to be the facilitators for that campaign, you guys can let me know. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Josh, about that, there are many programs, many events, right? You showed the timeline. I am really interested in ML, so I can be a facilitator when it's a time for ML.
Yeah, sure.
I'm just telling you that.
Yeah, sure. No problem. Okay. Yeah, anything else, guys? Okay,
No,
then.
I think that's it.
Yeah, I think we're done. Thank you so much for joining in, guys. Let's stay active on the WhatsApp group we have and come up with more interesting events very soon. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for joining in.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.